After working out, some folks utilize protein powder and creatine. Both supplements improve exercise performance and help muscles recuperate. Creatine and protein each serve a different purpose and may be advantageous to some people. However, users must take the right dosage at the right time to have optimum outcomes. An amino acid called creatine, which is present in muscles, gives cells the energy they need to function. Shorter, more intense workouts are when it works best. People can quickly take enough protein after exercising by using protein powder. After exercise, a leucine-rich protein supplement such as whey protein can aid muscle repair. Discover the distinctions between protein and creatine, their advantages, and which one to consume the following exercise by watching more. What are creatine and protein? Users can take creatine and protein powder as supplements for workout performance and recovery. Creatine. An amino acid called creatine is found in muscles by nature. The body produces it from the amino acids methionine, glycine, and arginine. People can also contract it through consuming red meat, seafood, and supplements. Creatine creates adenosine triphosphate and supplies energy during intense exercise, ATP. The substance that stores energy in bodily cells is called ATP. Energy for numerous cell processes, such as muscle contractions, is produced during its breakdown. Some persons who engage in high-intensity exercise opt to supplement with creatine. Creatine monohydrate is the most widely used of its several forms. Protein. A micronutrient called protein is crucial for the formation and development of muscles. The majority of people get their protein from food sources like meat, eggs, seafood, and beans. Soy-based goods. Although they are a quick and convenient approach to enhancing protein intake, supplements cannot replace food sources. However, they are a practical source of high-quality protein, particularly for those with hectic schedules. The majority of protein supplements are powders. The powder can be added to cereals and baked goods, blended in shakes and smoothies, or made into a protein shake with milk or water. Advantages of protein powder and creatine. For sports performance and exercise recovery, many athletes take creatine supplements. People can consume protein powder to aid with muscle rehabilitation after exercise. Creatine studies have demonstrated that creatine can boost a person's maximum athletic potential by increasing lean muscle mass and exercise capacity. It functions best when combined with quick, intense workouts. Creatine may be helpful for athletes in some sports since it can enhance some aspects of the activity. For instance, it might facilitate muscle recovery following a maximum weight squat exercise. Additionally, it can boost anaerobic exercise power and speed up recovery after exercise. Protein. Some people may also take protein powder to aid in muscle growth and recovery after exercise. According to research, consuming leucine-rich, quickly digestible proteins like whey protein can maximize the creation of proteins in working muscles. An essential amino acid required for the production of proteins is leucine. According to experts and reliable source, those who exercise frequently need more protein. Therefore, adding protein powder to the diet may benefit those who engage in regular physical exercise. Which should you take for muscle gain? If used in conjunction with sufficient exercise and an excess of calories, both creatine and protein powder can aid in muscle growth. Complex training, which includes workouts using significant resistance, is useful for enhancing muscle strength and power. However, they are also quite taxing and one can easily become exhausted. Exercise performance is significantly impacted by the ability to recover from fatigue. Numerous creatine supplementation plans have been found to potentially reduce muscular tiredness. It appears that taking creatine after exercise is more advantageous than taking it before. Consuming protein after exercise can also aid in muscle growth and rehabilitation. Some experts advise those who exercise regularly for longer than 3 months to consume extra protein. However, they also advise only using supplements if a person's regular diet lacks enough protein. Dosage. The amount of this amino acid in the muscles can be increased by taking low dosages of creatine every day for 28 to 30 days. In a 2021 study, trusted source, participants consumed 3 grams of creatine every day for 28 days. According to the researchers, this program enhanced workout performance. According to research, the amount of this amino acid in the muscles increases similarly when 20 grams of creatine is consumed for 5 to 7 days. Other specialists claim advantages. Trusted source recommends starting with a higher dose of creatine and then lowering it. An illustration of this dosage schedule includes taking 20 grams per day for a brief period, then 5 grams for 28 to 30 days. Most specialists recommend breaking up the bigger 20 grams dose into numerous smaller ones. Although protein is a necessary macronutrient, persons who exercise frequently require more than the RDA. 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day is the RDA for adults. According to the most recent research, individuals who exercise regularly for longer than 5 months require 1.5 to 2 times the RDA of protein. After exercising, people should strive to ingest 20 to 25 trusted protein sources, either in the form of food or protein powder. 1 scoop of the majority of marketed protein powders contains roughly this much. Health benefits of protein powder. Muscles growth. Protein is necessary for the growth of muscles. Athletes and gym goers frequently consume protein shakes since they are thought to aid with post-strength training bodybuilding. A 2018 analysis of 49 trials support the use of protein supplements for this purpose. In healthy adults who engage in resistance exercise training, such as lifting weights, evidence suggests that protein supplements dramatically increase muscle size and strength. Men and women both benefited from taking extra protein. However, the effectiveness may diminish with age due to older adults' increased protein requirements compared to younger adults. One of the parts of bone, muscle, and skin is protein. The body needs to make particles like compounds and chemicals. Weight control. Individuals might feel satisfied for longer by eating food varieties higher in protein and taking enhancements. More modest piece sizes and fewer eating meetings are regularly welcomed by feeling full, which can help somebody keep a sound weight or, on the other hand, if important, shedding a few pounds. The subjects did not continue to benefit from protein intake until it exceeded 1.6 grams per kilogram or 0.73 grams per pound of body weight, according to the study. Following an activity recovery. Protein can aid in muscle tissue repair in addition to helping muscles grow. As a result, athletes may take protein powder to hasten the recovery from post-exercise muscular soreness. Numerous studies suggest that consuming protein supplements after working out helps speed recovery by smalling muscle damage, increasing muscle function, and increasing muscle protein synthesis. Additional nutrition. For adults 19 years of age and older, the recommended everyday intake of protein is 56 grams for men and 46 grams for women. It may be difficult for some vegans and vegetarians to consume these amounts, but protein powder may be a simple answer for those who do. It must be a must for athletes, weightlifters, senior citizens, and those suffering from a chronic illness to consume more protein than is often advised. Should I use creatine supplements? A nitrogenous organic acid known as creatine helps the body's cells, particularly muscle cells, obtain energy. It is naturally produced by the body, found in red meat and fish, and is also available as a supplement. Athletes utilize supplements to raise their performance, seniors use them to gain muscle mass, and people with creatine intolerance use them to cure health issues. Fast facts on creatine. Creatine is a supplement used by athletes during intense training. Increased body mass may result from it. Parkinson's disease and depression are 2 conditions for which creatine is being researched. Creatine may be helpful for those with muscular dystrophy since it promotes muscle growth. Some data suggest that creatine can improve memory. In moderate doses, creatine seems safe, although its long-term safety has not been shown. Summary. Supplementing with protein and creatine may have certain advantages in promoting particular exercise types. According to clinical trials, creatine may benefit those who engage in intense resistance training. Regular exercisers need more protein than is suggested by the recommended dietary requirement. Contacting a physician or licensed dietitian is advised before starting to take supplements. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment letting us know what you think. We will see you at the next one.